Introducing the all-new Oppo Reno 8T. Ignite your imagination. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. Let's dive into the amazing features and specifications that makes the Oppo Reno 8T. The Oppo Reno 8T showcases a sleek and stylish design with a premium glass back that shimmers the light. The phone boasts a stunning 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display offering vibrant colors and deep blacks for an immersive visual experience. Equipped with the latest MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset, the Oppo Reno 8T delivers exceptional performance in every aspect. Multitasking, gaming, and running heavy applications become a breeze with its 128GB of RAM, ensuring seamless performance. Never worry about running out of battery again. The Oppo Reno 8T features an impressive 5000 mAh of battery that can easily last throughout the day. And when it's time to recharge, the 65-watt Super VOOC 2.0 charging technology gets you fully charged in just under 30 minutes. Capture your world in stunning detail with Oppo Reno 8T's versatile quad camera setup. The primary camera boasts a 108-megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor coupled with a 16-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 5-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, enabling you to capture every moment with professional-level quality. The Oppo Reno 8T takes photography to a whole new level with AI-enhanced features, including AI scene recognition, AI beautification, and AI portrait mode. Your photos and videos will be vibrant, clear, and rich with details, even in challenging lighting conditions. Stay ahead in the era of 5G with the Oppo Reno 8T's ultra-fast 5G capabilities. Enjoy blazing fast download and upload speeds, smooth video streaming, and lag-free online gaming. Experience a seamless and intuitive user interface with the ColorOS 12, designed exclusively for the Oppo Reno 8T. The latest version of Oppo's custom skin brings a host of new features and optimizations, making your everyday interaction smoother and more enjoyable. Choose from ample storage options, starting from 128GB and expanded further via a dedicated microSD card slot, so you never have to worry about running out of space for your favorite apps, games, and memories. Immerse yourself in crystal clear sound with Oppo Reno 8T's dual stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos technology. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the audio quality is truly immersive. Protect your valuable data with advanced security features, including an in-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition technology. Unlock your phone swiftly and securely with just a glance or a touch. That concludes our today's review on the Oppo Reno 8T. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best in new smartphone deals.